China's a major player in the global economy. Its growth has been impressive for decades. China is a leading exporter of goods worldwide. Many countries rely on China for trade and investment. China's economic performance affects the entire world. When China's economy slows down, other countries feel the impact. The recent news about China's trade has caused concern among economists and investors. In March 2025, China announced a significant drop in exports. This news surprised many analysts who expected continued growth. Exports fell by 14.5% compared to the previous year. This decline is the largest in several years. The drop in exports suggests weaker demand for Chinese goods. This weakness could be due to several factors, including global economic uncertainty. The decline in exports has raised concerns about a potential global slowdown. Along with exports, China's imports also declined in March 2025. Imports fell by 10.2%, exceeding previous estimates. This decline indicates weakening domestic demand within China. The fall in imports suggests that Chinese businesses and consumers are cautious. They may be holding back on spending due to economic uncertainty. The decline in both exports and imports paints a concerning picture of China's economic health. The news of China's trade decline sent shockwaves through global stock markets. Major indices experienced sharp drops as investors reacted to the news. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell by 2.5%, while the S&P 500 index declined by 3%. The negative market reaction reflects growing fears of a global economic slowdown. Investors are concerned that China's weakness could spread to other countries. The market volatility highlights the interconnectedness of the global economy. Section 5. Understanding the slowdown factors at play. Several factors contribute to China's economic slowdown. Global inflation is impacting consumer spending worldwide, including in China. Rising interest rates are also making it more expensive for businesses to invest and expand. Geopolitical uncertainty, including the ongoing war in Ukraine, adds to the economic instability. Furthermore, China is facing internal challenges, such as a property market downturn and high levels of debt. These factors combined create a challenging economic environment for China and the world. Section 6. Impact on global growth. A cause for concern. China's economic slowdown has significant implications for global growth. As the world's second-largest economy, China's performance has a ripple effect on other countries. The decline in Chinese demand for goods and services will likely impact businesses worldwide. Emerging markets that rely heavily on exports to China are particularly vulnerable. The slowdown in China could lead to reduced global trade and investment. The International Monetary Fund has already revised its global growth forecasts downwards in light of China's economic data. Section 7. Expert opinions, analyzing the future. Economists are divided on the severity and duration of China's economic slowdown. Some believe it will be short-lived, while others predict a more prolonged period of weakness. Government stimulus measures and a potential easing of global inflationary pressures could support a recovery. However, the ongoing challenges of high debt, geopolitical uncertainty, and slowing global growth could hinder a swift rebound. The coming months will be crucial in determining the trajectory of China's economy and its impact on the world. Section 8. Navigating uncertainty, policy responses and outlook. Governments and businesses worldwide are closely monitoring the situation in China. Policymakers are considering measures to mitigate the risks posed by a global slowdown. These measures may include fiscal stimulus, monetary easing, and trade agreements to support economic activity. Businesses are adjusting their strategies to adapt to the changing economic landscape. This adaptation includes diversifying supply chains, exploring new markets, and focusing on resilience. The ability of governments and businesses to navigate the current uncertainty will be crucial in shaping the future global economic order. Section 9. Conclusion. A turning point for the global economy. The unexpected decline in China's trade data has sent shockwaves through the global economy. This decline highlights the interconnectedness of the world's economies and the challenges posed by a potential global slowdown. While the situation remains uncertain, it is clear that the world is at a critical juncture. The coming months and years will require careful navigation, collaboration, and innovative solutions to address the challenges and opportunities presented by this evolving economic landscape.